morning, running, doing some exercises, doing some pranayama. So you have to give some time
For your body.
warm for your body. Before sunrise, you have to get up. Once you get used to that, that routine, automatically that domestic computer we say, that will make you do that. Automatically, at that time you get up.
Acha, tell me one thing. You have always been so animated all your life because the way you talk with so much. Now the other guy was there. He was so calm and cool, but you're full of youthful vigor. What is the secret?
That is what? Philosophical mind. Philosophical mind. So you have that energy, that energy comes from the spirit. So when I was young, there was nobody to tell me all these healthy
Yeah.
tips and all. So I used to work in some shipyard. There in the canteen, omelette, whatever used to be, just eat. Otherwise they were using what material. So it was detrimental to my health. I was doing my exercise during my high school days. So I have still muscular body. See, I have